How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, and today I want to talk about ticker SIRI. I know a lot of people are watching this and probably are kind of confused on why this thing has been going down a lot. And there's been or actually not rumors, but Warren Buffett right here has bought into it. Says the stock has 22 downside according to one Wall Street. There's a lot of there's some bearish articles, I think, and then some price reductions on some analysts of what they were trying to do to this. But I want to show you guys where do I think a reversal is going to happen, where would I like to buy in, and look for those massive gains we can get. Because as you can see, the chart has been going down a lot ever since the beginning of this year. But as you can see, though, this thing can have some massive spikes, but you want to get in at the right entry so you can make the most gains as possible. So this is ticker SIRI. You're looking at the daily chart. And actually, before I get right into this video, I do have a premium Discord. If you stay till the end or you just want to go to it right now, I am going to show you exactly all my education materials and also my real-time alerts on my entries and exits. As you can see, swing trade alerts right here for only $6 a month. I'll post that down below into my YouTube comments if you want to see it. And it's going to be the best thing you guys ever did, because if you're watching this video, one, you're looking for the reversal and you're looking for where does this bottom out, because it's obviously not going to go down forever. There is going to be a reversion to the mean, and we're going to get massive green candles like this, but we want to make sure we get them at the correct points. Okay, so what you're looking at is three bands. The bottom band is a buy zone. It doesn't mean you get in right away. It just means alert. We're looking at a buy area, and we want to make sure we're watching this now. The main thing you want to look at is your EMA 10. The reason I put that there is because uptrend stocks tend to go to it and bounce off it. Vice versa, downtrend stocks tend to go and hit their head on it. So to get the best price entry would not be to buy it when it's right at the EMA 10. As you're seeing, look at this. It can go any way. Yes, the stock can go way up, but the downside to it is the stock can go way down. As you can see, it's down under the band, bumping its head all the way down. But you wouldn't buy any of these because, one, it's not at the lower band. So you want to make sure the price is down at this lower band, which I customized to be very, very oversold if it ever gets there. And then two, you want to look for time distance. Not only do you want you want the price to be away from the EMA 10 for some type of time. So if you're looking at right in here, we have a time frame of 228 and 401. It has to it will hit this band no matter what. Mathematically, look at any chart, it will hit it. Anything longer than a month is extremely rare, and it's going to bounce its head. So if you coordinate the lower band with a time distance on the EMA 10, you will get some nice gains. As you can see, you would not have got in this trade, even though it did get really close. You could have made decent profits, right in here, but this was not a trade I would have taken, even though there is a lot of time distance. I want to make sure price is extremely close to the bottom band. Now we are getting kind of closer. This is what I'm looking right here. We have our time distance, as you can see, is starting to go. I want to wait for at least 2 weeks of time distance. So it's 4:02. Let's look at my calendar. I want to make sure that I'm looking at this at 4:16. So when it's April 16th, I want to make sure there's time distance with this candle hitting the bottom band, with in conjunction a low K. But some might argue, well, the RSI is at 12. This has got to bounce. Yes, it will probably bounce, but it might bounce just a little just to correct the RSI and then go back down lower. As you can see, the RSI was, you can't really trade based on it. It was 13 here, 13.71, 16. I don't use that because it's a lot of false signals, and it'll keep going down. The RSI can be 9. It doesn't matter. But it's just there to kind of see, okay, what are we looking at, right? So we want to look for time distance, a lower band touch for the buy signal, and then we want to look for this K on the KDJ. Anything lower than 5 is considered good for me. I will look at it. So the K is good. This is a very solid play for long term or even midterm, and now getting close to short term, because it is getting close to my my buy zone, and I see a nice reversal on this stock. But I do want to see, obviously some more time distance and a little more length to this EMA 10. But this is the reversal strategy. This has been making consistent returns. I'm looking for constantly those 5 to 20% range, usually 5 to 10%, depending on how low it has been and how much room we have to the upside. For this, it's looking like an easy 5 to 10% gain. Long term, who knows? This could easily do 100%, but it depends on how long you want to hold this long term. But as you can see, this thing hit a high way up here in the $7. I think we can get back up into at least the $5 longer term. So that's the system. This system, a little bit about me. I've been doing this full time for over 6 years, consistently making money in the markets. And this is the only strategy that has worked for me because I look for bottom reversals that are low risk, like this, where you can accumulate, where you don't get stopped out all the time. You accumulate these shares and you wait for that upside when we know where we want to target, and that's the EMA 10. Put the stop loss there and write as much as you can, guys. That's what we're doing here with this system. I hope you guys enjoyed, and kind of like if you're invested in this or looking to invest, you can kind of see what I'm looking at. I'm not buying random candles. I get to see exactly what I'm looking at. If you didn't have any of this, this is what it will look like right in here. If you looked at a blank chart, you'd be like, oh, wow, I'm buying heavy right on this candle right in here. I'm going to buy this candle, this candle, this candle. And you're probably like getting frustrated and you're like jumping blind on a trampoline. You just jumping away, hoping for the best. Now, what if I put all this on and then I show you exactly what the system's showing me, what the back test look, what are we looking at? You know exactly why you wouldn't buy on this candle, and you know exactly why you want to wait for time distance and why you want to have a low K on the KDJ, because everything is coordinated now that you have your blindfold off and you're jumping, and now you can see where you can jump and you will be lifted up. And that's what we want to see. This is the trampoline effect. You want to jump down on this bottom band and be brought back up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my video on SIRI. I will be bullish around 2 weeks time frame from now, and I will show you guys the chart on why I am in that time frame, and I will be looking for close to that bottom band. If you guys want to see the system, how it works, use the system to your own advantage, and learn how I do it, there is a whole Discord, like I said, of only $6 a month, and you're probably, why is it that cheap? Because any account can do it. I don't matter if you have a $100 account or a $100K account. $6 is so cheap that any can do it, and you can still make profit. And I'm not doing it here to make massive money, because we already have over 1,000 members, because it works and people are, can verify my credentials. And what you do when you get in here, you have the premium chat. You get my swing trade alerts that look like this, how to accumulate properly with my entries and exits. We have day trade alerts, educational videos of the best trend reversal strategy. If you want to trade options, I have my own twist to it. So what happens, go down below into the YouTube comments or in my YouTube description. You can't miss my Discord link. It will say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And when you get in there, it'll take you to this landing page. This is a free landing page. It doesn't mean you get the alerts, the system, or anything. This is just to get you to the next step. And when you want to subscribe, head on over to the subscriptions tab, and it has all these channels that will be locked for only subscribers. Just click on any of these channels, and it is slightly cheaper if you do it on computer, because it avoids the iOS fee, and it will be only $6 a month if done on computer. And when you subscribe, you unlock all these channels for a low cost of $6. If you guys enjoyed this video on my analysis on SIRI, my price prediction, where I'm looking for at this middle band here, do keep in mind, it helps a lot if you like, subscribe, and comment, because that tells YouTube that you like the video and you want me to post more videos, and that helps me do more videos. So if you do those type of engagements, please like and subscribe and comment. That would help so much, and it means a lot to me, guys, to make more videos. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I know your time is valuable, just like, making this video. If you watch till the end, I very appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the Discord when you want to see my entries and exits and my favorite tickers in real time that are happening now, as we just had a 30% winner on BCAN right in here. 30% winner. As you can see, after hours it's moving. I will show you guys the next ticker that's going to move, and I hope to see you guys there. Peace out.